A2Z Drone Delivery expanding Shanghai test facility. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Commercial drone delivery solutions developer A2Z Drone Delivery Incorporated has announced plans to expand its Ground Zero test facility in Shanghai's Anji County, where drone regulations are advanced from those in the United States. The location will allow the company's engineers to test new drone solutions under a wide range of conditions. The test facilities team has been conducting drone deliveries using the company's latest commercial delivery drones for over a year, and the expansion will enable further scaling of the reach of these consumer services. A2Z Drone Delivery is currently performing beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) operations in Anji County with the local government's cooperation. The company has been carrying out autonomous residential deliveries from its test facility, transporting medicines, COVID test kits, and food orders from local providers. By performing these deliveries, A2Z Drone Delivery's developers are able to learn how people interact with its drone systems in real life. To truly push the boundaries of autonomous unmanned drone delivery, our development team needs to be able to test our latest delivery drone systems under real-life conditions, said A2Z Drone Delivery founder and CEO Aaron Zhang. As the U.S. regulations expand to compete with those in operation around the world, we will be ready to take to the skies with the most cutting-edge systems that have been proven safe, reliable, and economical thanks to the testing and delivery missions we are able to do in Anji right now. A2Z Drone Delivery's drone delivery hardware prioritizes the creation of systems addressing consumer protection concerns with residential drone deliveries, while also providing commercial logistics operators with a reliable delivery ecosystem. A2Z Drone Delivery solutions conduct deliveries from altitude, minimizing noise, potential risks, and privacy concerns posed by low-flying drones. A2Z Drone Delivery solutions are deployed with commercial operators worldwide. Its RDST integrated cargo drone and rapid delivery system Drone Winch are utilized in applications ranging from delivering life-saving supplies for search and rescue missions to aiding in logistics deliveries to offshore energy installations. The RDST's ability to carry any size payload, without the need for specialty payload boxes, allows it to easily integrate into any logistics workflow. The A2Z Drone Delivery user interface was made to streamline cargo deliveries with pre-planned delivery routing and one-touch autonomous mission execution.